Sir, are you recording our YouTube channel here? Because you don't, I saw the YouTube channel that you don't have subscribers.
Why do you have to bother about all that? Just do the work. I will say everything one more time, listen to that, and then start writing. Are you ready? What you have learned in the video is called as three-finger technique. And three-finger technique is majorly used for reducing fears, overcoming our weaknesses. And at the due course of the video, you said you have got the problem of getting scared of being alone in the dark. Put your notebook down. Getting scared and being alone in the dark. So for that, we have demonstrated the exercise, and the exercise goes like this. We have to sit straight in a particular place, and we need to close our eyes, and we need to do deep breathing for about 10 to 15 times. Deep breathing is a magical thing, and it does wonderful results. So after 15 deep breathing cycles, what we have to do is we have to configure the three finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the thumb in both the hands by having the eyes closed. And by having the eyes closed, in that state, what we are supposed to think is we need to repeat a statement. That is, our fearful statement has to be repeated, and that has to be repeated for 5 or 10 times. In your case, it has to be repeated that whenever I am having the fear or when my mind thinks of the fear, all I have to do is I need to keep the fingers like this. And when I keep the fingers like this, my mind is disturbed and my mind is eradicating the fear pattern, and it gives me confident and courageous thoughts. And you need to repeat the statement for 5 or 10 times so that the mind gets conditioned. And this process has to continue for 20 days. And after 20 days, on the 21st day, since you have practiced your mind for 20 days, you got to be very patient till 20 days. And on the 21st day, when your mind is thinking or when your mind is triggered with this fear, all you have to do is just keep your three fingers like this. And in the next 10 seconds or 20 seconds, the fear goes off. So this is called as the three-finger technique. So this technique was explained today in the form of a video. And again, I have explained one more time. What you're supposed to do is just recall, retry, and write on your notebook and show that to me. Okay, come on.
Theory, this is a YouTube channel again, really.
No, don't worry about the YouTube channel. Come on. I mean, focus on the class. I have told you several times. Just do your work.
Okay, sir. The three-finger technique. Theory and connected demonstration. We can use it for getting scared and worried. Use these techniques. Eyes closed, body relaxed, breathe 10 times, and use the three techniques for 20 days until your mind gets off. That's all right,
Okay.
sir, because my Tamil ma'am will come soon. Because the pens ran out ink.
Okay. Fine. Thanks for your cooperation. We'll meet on Sunday. You have a day off tomorrow. We won't have class on Saturday. So
Yes, sir.
we will meet on Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the YouTube channel is something that only you and I are watching. Okay. There are no subscribers. I'm using that YouTube channel only for saving the videos purpose. Please don't understand that the public are watching. No, they are not watching you. Only I am watching and only you are watching.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Expect great things and live strong.
Expect great things and live strong.
Okay. Bye, Pranav.
Bye, sir. Meet you at Sunday.
Yeah.